Is it recording? How do you know? This is Zoe in her hat. Oh! And now she's got peanut butter on her hat. She's going to be everybody's best friend.
Spike, look. Spiky, look, come here.
Zoe would like some.
Look.
Oh. So I don't think Spike even knows it's there yet.
Spike, look. Look, Spike. Spike, look. Spiky, look, look. Spike, look.
You got to put some on your finger and then walk it over there.
Look. Come here. He's so dumb, it's a sin.
Stubbs loves her hat. She is ticked off. She's looking at you like, what are you doing? Zoe? Zoe? Hi, baby girl. How's can walk? Come here, Joe.
Zoe, come here.
She won't walk.
Come here. Come on. Not you, Spike, you big lummox.
How do we stop it with the red dot?